School and today's R&B. Old School 106.7, a Cumulus station.
Side.